I wanted to do a quick video on how to mix your soil for a raised bed. Now, first of all, I made this raised bed about a year or two ago. This was super easy. It cost me 12 bucks to make it. I took fence posts, 6 of them actually, cut 2 of them in half and used it on the ends, and the other 2 on each side. And then I used supports like this right there, and on the side right there to support it and hold it in so it's not all bendy. And then I'm putting cardboard on the bottom, and I'm going to staple it up on the side so it doesn't fall out, or so it holds the soil in. I need to get some more over here for the side here because it's cracked, or there's a crack there down to the rocks. Okay, and now for the soil here. This is the cheapest soil you can get that I found. Sometimes you can find some at Walmart that's organic, but right now this is basically, you can get this for like $2.50, around that price range at Home Depot. And then you get the Organic Plus raised bed potting mix. This is super dense. I just mix that in with it. And then if you're in a place with a drier climate, you want to use this coconut coir. That you put it in water and it expands and it helps retain moisture. And then this stuff here, azomite rock dust. This is minerals that goes back into your soil because our soil is depleted of nutrients. So you want to mix this in with the top part of your soil. You don't need it all the way through. It's not a good use of it. So I'm going to put probably 4 bags down, and then I'm going to mix up 4 bags with my coconut coir in here, and then put that on the top layer and then plant my seeds. So I will show you another video when I get everything planted, but basically this is all you need to start a raised bed. So hope you understood what I was saying. I was talking kind of fast. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment below. Let me know where you're at and if you've got a garden growing. Thanks. Bye.